Hey guys, Aris, Hardware Bastards. When I'm on the bench, it means that something is not going well, okay? And this time, our brand new Nanoleaf, it's broken. It doesn't turn on. Eri told me that she tried to turn on the Nanoleaf and it failed. And I said to myself, this is not good at all. It's completely dead. It doesn't even turn on manually. So, this specific power adapter, model DSL-42WA-42, input 100 to 240 volt, 50 or 60 Hertz, 1 amp, output 42 volts, 1 amp, so 42 watt in total. On the lower leg, I have to find 42 volt and ground is in the middle. I don't know what the upper does. It's in pure Chinese. Although I'm learning Chinese, I'm not so fluent yet to understand that. But I should measure 42 volt here. Let's connect it to power. It has power. And let's see if we have the 42 volts. DC, of course. Okay. Come on. Yeah, it went to start a bit and gave me 10 volt, but now it's dead, nothing. 0.1. Why 0.1? I will do something else. No, nothing. You saw that, right? It went to 10 volts. So this is a typical case, guys, of a dead power adapter. No, I want to do something else now. Okay, stay there. Yeah, I talked to my probes. So, let's see. Yeah, it keeps something. No, nothing. Nothing. Doesn't even flip. It should have 42 volts here. 0.1. Come on, man. See here, we have 2.6 volt DC. We should have 42. We have 2.6. Yeah, I guess this is something, right? 2.6. The good thing is that you can easily remove them, at least. When you want to remove them, you grab them for the edges and go like that, not on the side. I'm disappointed though. 1 month, just...
Not even 1 month.
Just 1 month of operation and this thing is dead.
And nothing happened? Nobody touched it?
Yeah, no thunderstorms, no thunders, nothing. Yeah, out of the blue. Yeah, look, it can happen to power adapters, this stuff. It can happen.
How much did it cost?
Around 170, 80 euros, something like that. Yeah, it's not, they are not cheap, they're not affordable. And the power adapter looks solid enough.
What has broken?
I have to open the power adapter to find out, but if I do that, we will lose the warranty.
Is it this that it's not working?
Yeah,
or,
that.
Okay.
Doesn't output anything.
What if you change the power adapter to another one?
I don't have one with this specific.
Oh, right.
You have to have one with this specific.
But if you cut it from here and change
42 volt, it's not a common adapter. It's a 42 volt wall adapter.
Okay.
It's difficult to find something similar.
Okay.
And as far as I know, Nanoleaf sells them,
Oh.
or they provide the replacement parts for a good reason, apparently. But since I have a warranty, I'm tempted, to be frank, to open it and see what's going on. But in most cases, guys, these power adapters, if you open them, it is very, very difficult to put them again together and to look nice. There are no screws here, as you can see. There's nothing. You have to cut it open. So it won't be so nice and it won't be so safe. They are affordable, they're cheap. The best thing you can do is just replace them. Unless you want to, you know what you are doing and you want to learn a thing or two. But from the moment I have a warranty on that, I won't even bother. Anyway, if you see Nanoleaf not responding at all, just grab 5 or 10 euros multimeter. You don't have to have a super expensive one like that, and measure the output here. In the middle, you have the ground. In the bottom end, you should have 42 volts DC. If you don't find 42 volts, then something is wrong with adapter. That's all. Bye-bye.
To be continued.
Yeah.